Howdy y'all. Just got done doing a little work on the 3rd gen 4Runner. Figured I'd snap out a video, just let you guys know how she's coming along. It's my old lady, she's put about 2,000 miles on it. And as you can see, she's got the back seats folded down and all this room for the dog. Put a pad in there and stuff, which is what this rig's for. So the dog hauler, all the hair everywhere. Dang freaking German Shepherds. Gotta love them. All right, well, I just got done putting a new radiator in it. It ended up radiator cracked, which, I mean, that's just common stuff. Stuff like that freaking happens. And I went ahead and I spent the money, put the Denso in it. Just, you know, you can order a cheap one off eBay or something like that, and it'll probably do you just fine. Just a little more sense of security actually buying good stuff. So I went to Napa, ordered this. Well, I called Napa, had them order it in. They had it about 3 hours or something like that, shipped from, you know, probably like 20 miles away. They had it at another Napa, so they shot it down to Bannon to me. I went and picked it up. It's $193, so not too bad. Sure, the Chinese ones are like $100, but still, you know, good Denso quality stuff. Just got that in, and of course, when you're doing, you know, anything to do with the coolant system, make sure and use the red ASIN, you know, Asian type vehicles for Toyota and stuff. Just, that's what they call for, so just do it right, even though it's $20 a freaking gallon. Ooh, yeah, I know, it hurts a little, but like I said, it's better to do things right. All right, well, what I ended up doing, as you can tell, it's got different wheels and tires on it, and it's well, there's seat covers on them, but they're cloth seats in her now, and I did a stereo. Of course, you can see the old American flag and bottle of Tito's. Yeah, yesterday was a pretty good day. Of course, the old lady shoes here, and it's dirty. It's my old lady's dog hauler. I'll show you the back. She's got her down with a rug and dog bowl, and you know, dog spends a lot of time in here, so you just take the dog for cruises and stuff. Just a great good all-around rig. Tougher than heck. These 3rd gens are just freaking awesome rigs. All right, new wheels and tires and seats. I ended up buying same year everything, 97 with a blown head gasket off of well, actually it was my cousin, his old lady. She bought a new rig because she blew her head gasket, so I bought that one off her. It had brand new tires and it had the cloth seats, so I bought it off her, robbed the parts I wanted, new tires, cloth seats, and the stereo. And then my buddy Travis, whatever, he wanted the rig because he wanted to replace the head gasket. Because, I mean, it was still a running, driving rig, just needed the head gasket replaced. But as he dug into it a little bit more, I think he's just going to replace the motor. There were some valves that were a little messed up. But either way, I gave him a pretty good deal on it, so he'll be happy with it. And plus, that guy, he's a meticulous. That thing will end up being nicer than this once he's done with it. This is actually a really nice rig itself, so. All right, I've done the oil change. I did the radiator, put new tires on it, new seats, new stereo. And yeah, it's just up to, let's see how many miles she's put on it. America. 170, I don't know if you can see that, 170,378 miles. So, I mean, she's put a couple thousand miles on it, not a lot, but she loves this thing. It's a great rig. Drives really nice. She put the fancy new Cultural Truss plates on it, and she's kind of making it her own, which is awesome. I mean, she takes decent care of her rigs. I got to make sure, you know, the fluids are all right, and a reminder every once in a while, just because, you know, she's still a girl, but she takes pretty good care of stuff. Pretty good freaking rig. All right, just put in this radiator. Figured I'd snap out a quick little video, just give you an update on the old 3rd gen here. And I've got more videos to come. Been kind of, you know, pretty busy, home life, everything like that, and plus work all the freaking time. So can't really pound out as many videos as I'd like to, but try to do a little bit better job for you guys. All right, thank you very much. Stay freaking awesome.